Relativity eDiscovery Beginner Tutorial. Relativity offers the Access eDiscovery program, a beginner-friendly learning path designed to provide an overview of the eDiscovery industry and educate users on effectively using relativity throughout the eDiscovery process. This program includes self-paced videos and tutorials covering fundamental features and workflows used in eDiscovery. For those who prefer learning at their own pace, Relativity provides a variety of self-paced training modules. These modules cover topics as Review Foundations, Admin Foundations 1, Case Administration and Review Optimization, Data Loading and Productions, Analytics, and Processing. These courses are designed to help users of all skill levels become proficient in using Relativity. Consult official documentation. For in-depth information and guidance, Relativity offers comprehensive user documentation for both Relativity 1 and Relativity Server. These resources cover a wide range of topics including getting started in Relativity 1, data transfer and migration, analytics and assisted review, reviewing documents and productions. Gain hands-on experience. To apply what you've learned, consider participating in hands-on training sessions. Relativity offers live instructor-led trainings including Review Foundations, Admin Foundations 1, which is Case Administration, Admin Foundations 2, which is Review Optimization, Data Loading and Productions, Analytics and Processing. These sessions are available virtually and in person at various locations. Pursue certification. After completing the training, you might consider obtaining a certification to validate your skills. The Relativity 1 Certified Pro exam is designed for users to demonstrate their proficiency in using Relativity 1. This certification can enhance your professional credibility in the field of eDiscovery. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe. And as always, see you in the next video.